Okay, this is our end result here in Woodland Hills. It was very challenging. We dealt with the major underground streams of water. You can see we're here in the bottom of the mountains. We dug 5 feet all around the perimeter. We installed multiple drainage lines. Everything is running to the side of the house. We collected all the underground water and we diverted the drainage all the way to the other side. It's running all the way here. I'm gonna do another video to show you where it's exiting. Okay, this is our second video. As you can see, the drainage is coming all around. I would say about 200 linear feet. This is the street. You can see it's flowing to the street. As you can see, there is a constant stream of water. It doesn't stop. It's been like this 24/7 for the past few weeks. Constant stream of underground water from the mountain. Now it's getting into our drainage system and away from the house. The crawl space is dry, the garage is dry. Amazing success over here, guys.